In this video, I am going to show you how to integrate Printify with Shopify. A comprehensive guide. Integrating Printify with your Shopify store can open a new world of possibilities for your e-commerce business. By following this step-by-step guide, you can seamlessly connect Printify to Shopify, allowing you to expand your product offerings with ease. Let's get started. First thing is to create a Printify account. Navigate to the Printify website, click on the Sign Up button and fill out the registration form with your name, email address, and password. Next, you need to install the Printify app on Shopify. To do so, log into your Shopify store and go to the Shopify App Store. Use the search bar to find Printify app. Click on the Add App button to install the Printify app onto your Shopify store. Next, you need to authorize Printify on Shopify. After installation, you'll be prompted to grant Printify access to your Shopify store. Review and accept the permissions to allow Printify to sync with your Shopify products, inventory, and orders. Next, you need to configure your billing information. In your Printify account, navigate to the billing section. Select a pricing plan that fits your business needs. Printify offers a variety of plans tailored to different sales volumes and features. Fill in your payment information to complete the billing setup. In the Printify dashboard, you need to create a product. So click on Add Product to begin creating a new item. Choose a product category and a specific product. Use Printify's designing tools to customize your product with your unique design. Once you're happy with your design, click on Publish on Shopify to add the product to your Shopify store. And after that, you're done. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.